Welcome to Behind the Build. My name is Krzysztof and I'm a PHP developer from BuildEmpire. I'm here to talk about the new fancy course format feature we implemented called tiles. A lot of LMS content, specifically course pages, have usually a long wall of text. With tiles format, we have brought forward much more familiar feeling to a user, where tiles are presenting a bit more like a mobile apps. It allows the user to be much more interactive with it instead of having long wall of text. With the new version of Core Styles, we have introduced two new features. So let's talk about the first one, which is the carousel view. If I navigate to settings of the course, under the course format, we can see a user can now select section layouts between a grid and carousel. By choosing a carousel, we are presented with a nice arrows, where user can scroll through the lines of content they have on their course. The next feature we have introduced is a fallback image options, where admin can provide a fallback picture where those cards will inherit those based on the content type. So if we go to the theme settings on the BuildEmpire edition, if I would add quickly, let me just to the page, a fallback picture and save it, going back to the course and refreshing it, we can now see it inherited the nice picture we have set. This is all I wanted to say. Thank you very much. Have a good day.